You don't need more hours to study. You might just be studying the wrong way. Because there's a student who studies for 5 hours and remembers almost nothing, and another who studies for 90 minutes and actually remembers what they learned. So what are they doing differently? The answer is probably not what you think. Imagine it's 11:47 p.m. Your exam is tomorrow. Your desk is covered with notes. You've been highlighting pages for hours. You read the same chapter again and again, and somehow it feels familiar. So you think, I know this. The next morning, you open the exam paper, and suddenly, your mind goes blank. That's the trap. Familiarity feels like learning, but it isn't always learning. Here's how to actually study. Step 1. Stop just rereading. Close the book and try to explain what you just learned from memory. That's called retrieval practice. And research-backed learning guidance recommends it because actively recalling information strengthens your ability to retrieve it later. Step 2. Stop cramming everything into one night. Study today. Test yourself tomorrow. Then come back a few days later. Spacing your retrieval over time can produce much stronger long-term retention than simply repeating everything at once. Step 3. Make studying uncomfortable. Don't ask, how many pages did I finish? Ask, how much can I remember without looking? That's a completely different game. And there's one more problem. Sometimes you're not actually lazy, you're overwhelmed. You keep telling yourself, I'll start in an hour. Then an hour becomes tomorrow. And tomorrow becomes, I'll start when I'm motivated. But motivation usually doesn't arrive first. Action does. So tonight, don't promise yourself 5 hours. Promise yourself 10 focused minutes. Close the book. Test yourself. Come back tomorrow. Because the student who learns how to study will eventually beat the student who only learns how to study longer. And remember that student from the beginning, the one studying for 5 hours? Now you know why it wasn't working.